3, 2, 1. How are you, Eva?
I'm well.
Very nice.
If you only have 1 day, 1.5 days, you get a lot of sightseeing for a short amount of time. So,
Let's go. So there's the cruise ship out there. We are across the harbor in New Orleans, Canada.
So we are here at the chocolatier factory in Orleans, Quebec. It is really pretty. We are taking a sightseeing tour with Unitours, and this is our bus. See it right there? And Alan is our director. It's $60 per person. It's about 3.5–4 hours. We're going to stop here at a chocolate factory. We're going to go to a few different cities, a copper factory also. Right here we get the world famous vanilla cone dipped in a maple topping. I'm so excited about that.
And here we have the chocolatier. They turned an old farmhouse on the corner here into this famous ice cream place. This little place here serves all these bus loads of people that come in and out of here for their famous maple top ice cream.
So everybody is here and we are all enjoying our ice cream cones. How's that cone?
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
My name is Palmyre, and I'm very glad to welcome you here in my family's copper art studio. Canada is the 11th producer of copper in the world. The original is all done by hand. On a thin sheet, we use that original as a mold to make the pieces that we sell.
Isn't it beautiful? So you see what I'm saying? Like, so this one's not done by hand entirely, but still, but like all this.
So I guess
The detail.
Kind of trying to understand, you see.
After you go through everything, they have a museum in the back. And the first thing they ask you is copper a mineral or a metal? And they give you a few examples. They also show us where in the earth copper is mined, and it seems to be everywhere. Here's an example of how they used to do it. This museum is quite extensive, and it is a great part of the tour. I highly recommend it.
These are the copper doors made from the people from the last stop. The father made these years ago. This is our fourth stop here today, the waterfall. This is what we've been waiting all day to see.
So we are going to attempt to climb up there to the first lookout. We don't have a lot of time here. We got about 45 minutes before the bus leaves. So we're gonna get up as far as we can on the waterfall.
So if you're looking for trails and hikes, I wouldn't advise doing one of these type of tours because you're timed.
Yeah.
However, you get a lot. If you only have 1 day, 1.5 days, you get a lot of sightseeing for a short amount of time. So
Let's
that's my
go.
tip.
This waterfall here is a larger drop than Niagara Falls. This is in Quebec. I'm going for the hike.
It's always good to bring your raincoat when you're coming to see a waterfall. Check out the overspray that's happening. It's become 5 to 10 degrees colder and the wind is crazy. I love it though.
So there's the visitor center. And you can walk across there and all the way up the side, or take the cable car up to the top. We don't have enough time today to do that. Love to get up on that bridge.
Thanks for joining us on this trip for the 4 stops for this great Quebec
Tour.
tour.
Simple tour. 4 stops. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today on this tour. We took 4 incredible stops.
Yes, we did.
Hey.
Well,
Very nice. So where are you from again?
Florida.
Florida. So I have never been to Florida. If I go there, what should I do?
Go to Disney World.
Oh, have you been there?
Many times.
Like many times, like how many? Like
I live 5 miles from there, so
wow.
I try to go at least once a week.
At least once a week. Can you host me if I go there? Can I stay? Okay, no, better not. Okay, who are you traveling with?
My husband and my mother-in-law.
Your mother-in-law and your husband.
Yes.
What is his name? Yeah. How are you? Let's find out. Voice from above. How long Eva lasted for?
Eva lasted for 39 seconds.
39 seconds.
It's still longer than 12-second Brian.
Yeah, it's still better than Brian. Okay, but you get yourself a very nice. Thank you very much. Yeah, and you can go ahead to your seat.